tuliwasilisha kesi hii for the Mau Mau to be recognized, for them to get back their dignity and their humanity. They were not terrorists. They were freedom fighters. And we wanted that acknowledged and accepted. That is why we are demanding an apology. And even today, you will remember the statement that was read on behalf of the British government on the floor of the House of Commons, stated in one paragraph that they wanted to have this issue of the atrocities of the behind Kenya and behind Britain so that we can have cordial relations. And we agreed. But we told them it is not enough to compensate the 5,222 people that they compensated. Because that left out many individuals who were detained, who were killed. Ndio, si walioacha watu wao na familia zao. We would like them recognized. And going forward, to my mind, and this is what I'm going to repeat to the Prime Minister, we would like that effort to be bipartisan. We would like the official opposition led by Mheshimiwa Prime Minister and the government of His Excellency President William Ruto to take up this issue in a bipartisan manner. We are assisting veterans. Any nation that does not recognize and respect their heroes cannot nurture heroes tomorrow. If you want to nurture your heroes, you must accept, you must recognize, and you must honor those who have sacrificed for the nation. So we would like a bipartisan report, a bipartisan approach in resolving this issue. Mheshimiwa Prime Minister Raila Odinga, I was telling members here and the participants that it is important to acknowledge, which we do, the valuable, invaluable assistance which you accorded to the Mau Mau War Veterans Association when you are in government, led by the late Mheshimiwa Muite. And I was saying we will continue to need your assistance. Going